Let's see how to crochet back strap with Tunisian crochet. Welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. As usual, we will be starting with a slip knot. After slip knot, we will make 6 chain crochet stitches. It's like I have taken 6 stitches. It depends on you how broad you want to make. Take that many chain crochet stitches. Okay, after 6 stitches are done, 6 chain crochet stitches are done, first stitch which comes after the current loop, we have to skip it. First stitch which comes after current loop, we have to skip it, and from second stitch onwards we will make one loop on needle or crochet hook from each stitch. Yarn over, pull through, insert your needle, yarn over, pull through. So in similar way we should have in total, we have taken we made 6 chain crochet stitches. So we will be making, always we should have 6 loops on the needle. Okay, on the crochet hook we should have 6 loops on the crochet hook. When we are done with our 6th loop, now see, now we will yarn over and pull through from first loop only. Starting will be this: yarn over, pull through from first loop only, and then yarn over, pull through from two loops till end. Okay, only in the starting we will yarn over and pull through from first loop, and after that we will yarn over and pull through from two loops. Okay, now here we are done. Now for every new row we will skip first stitch. Okay, for every new row we will skip first stitch, and from second stitch onwards we will again have loops on a crochet hook, 6. As you know, we need 6 loops. So from one is already there on a crochet hook, and from rest 5 stitches we will take 5 loops. First stitch we are skipping. Okay, and then again we will yarn over, pull through from first loop, and yarn over, pull through from two loops till end. So we have to just go on repeating this. Now I won't disturb you anymore. Just look at the video. I've given quite slow demonstration, so you won't find it difficult to understand. Okay, enjoy. So this is how a Tunisian crochet backstrap look like. It's quite compact, very good to use, and like you can use it in various bags or straps or wherever you want to use. So if you like the video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. I'm coming up with lots and lots of new videos. Plus, many videos are already there on my YouTube channel. So please subscribe Sanjs Aasha, and those who have already subscribed, thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a million. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.